Okay, so this is a video on help with J12 for IXL for this week. So we've done slope before, but really the only kind of slope we've been doing is when it's been starting here in the corner and going up like this. The only difference with this lesson is that they're not always going to start in the corner. They might start here like you see, or they might start in the middle up here, or they might go down like this. That is all perfectly okay, and we just treat it the exact same way. Let me erase some of my lines here. This eraser's not very good, apparently. There we go. Okay, so if we look at this lesson, remember when we find slope, you just need to find 2 points that it intersects on the graph. So for example, you can see it intersects here, and it intersects here. Between those 2 points, you just count how far it's going up, and then how far it's going over, and then you divide the two. So this one, how far it's going up from this point to this point, and from 5 to 8 is 3, and going from this point to this point over is 1. So your slope would be 3. So all you type in for your answer for this one would be 3. Okay, so here's another one. So let's find 2 points where it crosses the graph. Well, let's see, let's pick this one and this one. So as long as they're points that cross, then you can pick them. So again, how far is going up from this point to this point? It's going up 2. How far is it going over? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here it's important that you're reading directions because in the chapter we've been doing with just normal slope, I've been telling you to keep it as a fraction, right? Okay, but the directions here, I can't really see them down the bottom of my video, but it says write them as a decimal or integer. It does not say fraction. So you need to write this as a decimal. So 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. And we also know this is money, so can we write 0.4? No. We'd have to write 0.40 as your answer for this one. Alright, let's look at a couple more here. Here's one, so 2 points it's crossing would be here and here. And how far is it going up? Let's see. It's going up 3, and it's going over 2. And again, on the bottom it says to write it as a decimal or an integer, not a fraction. Okay? So make sure you're always reading directions. 3 divided by 2 as a decimal is 1.5. So you type 1.5 in this one. Let's do one more. Okay, let's do one last one here. Reason I want to go over this one is because typically we've been dealing with positive slopes. So they've been going up from left to right. This one is going down from left to right. And that means it's going to be a negative slope. So give me a second here. Erase these pictures. Okay, so we treat it the same way though. So pick 2 points, let's say here and here. See how far it's going down. Okay, it's going down 1 square, but our lefts are counting by 10, so it's really down 10, right? Make sure you're paying attention to what these values are. And then it's going to the right 3. You can see that down here, that it's 3 just by numbers. Okay, and it says write your answer as a decimal or integer, and if necessary, round to the nearest hundredth. So, negative 10 divided by 3. Remember, it's negative because we went down instead of up, would give us the nearest hundredth, negative 3.33.